It's been a long ass time since I did a... Oops. Leading up to Christmas, I felt culturally pressured that I just had to do something. Simultaneously though, I've done enough birthdays alone to know that it's okay to celebrate by myself. I think getting over Christmas without a family is similar to getting over Valentine's without a partner. While some people don't care, some feel enviness and loneliness. Others embrace their singleness. And some just try support others who don't feel good about the day. I guess this Christmas I thought it would be a good idea to reach out and see if anyone wanted to celebrate with me. Because by trying to round up everyone, I definitely enhanced my own. And even if nobody shows up, I feel better for reaching out. As an introvert, I'm content to sit down and watch anime all day and night on Christmas. But as a human, I think it's valuable to share cultural holidays with other people. Okay, so the best thing about Christmas is that if you go to the gym, there is little to no traffic on the road. However, once you get there, the gym is closed. I guess you gotta go back home, huh? Hey guys, thanks for watching my visual diary. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna do an art video next, and I hope you have a lovely day or night, wherever you are in the world. Peace. Frosty the Snowman was a